Hello there, it's me, Attachment Aditya, and yeah, you are currently being Attachment Studios. And what you're currently seeing is my new web page. Well, for some reason, I haven't made it public yet, but what's this video about? Yeah, surely not about that. So, yeah, uh, if you have seen the what I say as my videos, then you might have noticed that I code. So this video is all about um, how I started coding. So yeah, I will see you how I started. So yeah, here you can see something for what's that? See, never mind. I don't know myself. So yeah, index.html. So I started coding from HTML because yeah, I'm showing you this, and not CSS. CSS was a lot later. I mean, just yesterday, before the day before this video was released. But never mind that. So yeah, how I started coding, it's really simple. I started from HTMLs and that in my school. Yeah, I was not that professional, but I knew some things about HTML, and yeah, I did a good job in doing as much as I could. Then I was just browsing and saw this site, Scratch. I was searching for how to start coding. This site appeared, and it was a block coding site, and I started. So when I see my stuff, uh, all of these are made by me. So yeah, these are shared projects. None is unshared. Yeah, my studio and some other projects in trash. So yeah, you can check this. I tried to make a develop on this, but I was unsuccessful. Now what's next? So when you go to my profile over here, you would see it's something like joined 2 years ago. But yeah, actually 2 years ago only. So yeah, after 1 year of doing Scratch, I noticed, okay, it's pretty boring, and let's do something new. So I just opened YouTube and search uh, game engines for beginners. And yeah, for sure, I did this spelling mistake at the starting. It's double N, it's a pretty common. So I just scrolled down, saw, and I was scrolling down, scrolling down, scrolling down, scrolling down, and noticed something. A Lua engine, and I didn't know what was Lua, but for some reason I found, actually not this, but I found Corona SDK. So it's not the coronavirus for sure. It's now renamed for Solar 2D. And yeah, I did some days of coding in it and then realized it's pretty hard. So instead I went to a site alternatives 2.net, I guess, maybe this site, and searched for Corona SDK, and somewhere down I found something, I guess. Here it is, Love 2D. I don't know what it was, but it seemed a little nice, and yeah, I totally found this bug. But never mind that. I saw this. I then clicked this, found this, scrolled a little down, then saw these quotes, and yeah, for sure they were easy. Then I learned that uh, it's Lua, and I found some wiki pages which helped me a lot. Now, yeah, other than that, before left 2D, I also did another thing named Python. Yeah, so yeah, it was something like 6 months after something like Scratch. I did Python, and it wasn't that horrible, but yeah, it was. What is FIB? Okay, that's custom. Never mind. I thought, what is FIB, and I don't know that. I read the guide about for 2 to 3 days and realized, okay, that's easy. Then after I found Love 2D, this easy site, I'm used to it now. So I thought, why not try some new engines? So I just went on and searched for other and found that there was something called Ruby. So it's rubylang.org, I guess, slash n specially. I maybe not. Maybe. What is it? Uh, does it even works? Okay. This thing, it confuses me every time. And if you see, then it's still in my computer. Ruby 2D. So yeah, it's Ruby actually. And where is it? Ruby. So yeah, Ruby, interactive Ruby, maybe. So yeah, this was Ruby actually, and I started Ruby about a month ago, I guess, and I'm still not great at it. Let's try print something called hello world. Okay, it's not working actually. It doesn't works that good, but if we see then somewhere near my projects, in my projects folder, so yeah, we can find Ruby and start some code. Yeah, so because I was horrible in Ruby, so yeah, maybe uh, this would be better. So I found that some functions in Ruby 2D Ruby. Actually, it's in Ruby I use an engine named Ruby 2D. It's actually a requirement. So you need to use require Ruby 2D and use all that codes. That is much simpler, and this is easier. And yeah, for that now, yeah, I'm doing HTML. So yeah, I don't even know. So yeah, after HTML, CSS, then that's all stuff maybe. And yeah, I just learned CSS and doing these things. Other than that, I also did Unity for some time and C Sharp, C++ as well. But C++ went really horrible. And yeah, also C sharp or C hashtag, whatever it is, it's C sharp. It's really uh, not less than interesting. But never mind. I did Unity, Unreal, and even I can't call anymore. So yeah, but if you want to learn, then it's better to start with Python and see what you can do. So because it's one of the easiest language, language you can do. So yeah, if it works, then you need to download Python. It's available for 32 bit and 64 bits computer for, and the latest version is something like 3.8 or 3.9 something. I have 3.8. So this is the latest version that I knew. So yeah, this is, and it's pretty simple, like print uh hello Python, and it will print like this. It can also do mathematics, and yeah, for some reason this also works too. And this is something what we call as raise 2 in Python. And yeah, next thing is maybe some percentage. So yeah, these were first things, I guess. It will be 0. So when 10 is divided by 2, then the remainder remains 0. And yeah, it's not the absolute thing, but yeah, it's applicable everywhere, these codings. And yeah, you can start with Python for sure. Otherwise, you can use Love 2D or even Lua, but I was really unsuccessful to install Lua. I still don't know how to install Lua. I also faced a very hard time doing Ruby, but Python was pretty easy to install and use. So I would suggest Python, and if possible, I guess HTML sites. So yeah, I will try to uh, make this site public after making it. Maybe I will not make a devlog. And yeah, this is CSS style, CSS, totally mostly CSS YouTube channel. So yeah, and if you don't know, then I also have a second channel, Attachment Studios, Attachment Studios Code. Uh, Let me show you. It's just like a new channel, 106 views, October 9. Just when
I have recently
something
made a new.
new channel. So in that you can find all the detailed development. And yeah, for sure, the next one is RPG. Apparently I am releasing it something like at Wednesdays, Mondays and Fridays. That's my schedule. So yeah, and yeah, this video might be releasing a little late, I don't know, but for sure. So if you're interested, and you can subscribe at Ashen Studios.
I have.
So yeah, it's been it's been 2 months. But but that's it. That's it actually for this video. Thanks for watching this video of Attachment Studios. This was index.html, and yeah, um yeah, thanks for watching. If you're still in the video, I don't know why, but let's no, I don't want to re-record. Let's uh, end this video here itself, from where we started. So yeah, that's it.